Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, welcome in this video. In this video we are going to learn about the REST parameters in ES6 version of JavaScript. So what is the REST parameter? Just we understand with this example. I have a function and I say that function is calculation, and here I am just passing the one parameter as an operation and second parameter as a value. And you see these are normal parameter, but if I add 3 dot in front of any parameter, then that parameter is become the rest parameter. And what is the use of it? I see just here an example that operation dot to lowercase equal to 3 time equal to, and I say sum, then I just return the value in tilde operator. That I say operation, this means sum of values equal to, and here again we pass that values dot reduce. Then under this I call the arrow function, and this arrow function I will pass a comma b, and that a comma b will be a plus b, so it will sum all the value under this, and I close this one. So this is the use that reduce function one by one make a sum of all the value that will come here under the value. And how it will behave, just we see the here example, then console.log, and here I am calling the calculation function, and here I am passing the first parameter as a sum, and then I am passing rest of the parameters like this. And you see here that sum is going in operation, and these all rest of the variables or rest of the values going in this parameter. This parameter is called rest parameter. If I save it and I call it, you will see that the sum of values is 213. So this will display here, and this value is just an array. Now with the help of reduce function, we put here arrow function, one by one all the value of this will get sum, and you will get the sum of all the value here. Similarly, we can perform the operation for other also, like I say multiply, and here in place of addition I do multiplication, and one more time I call this function and I say multiply, like this, and I save it and run it. You will see without any problem we will have the multiplication of this also. We can do sorting also. For example, if I copy and paste again, and in place of multiplication I do sort, and here one more time if I call with the value or operation of sort, and in place of reduce I do sort. And remember that sort function is not compatible. I show you that sort function is not compatible to sort number values. You see this is not compatible to show, it's showing me, but if I do some more value here like this and I run it again, and you will see that this sort function is not compatible with number value. To make it compatible, we have to call arrow function here, and what we have to say, we have to say that a minus b, a comma b should be a minus b. Like this we have to make a setting under this. Now it will sort the numerical value also, you see. So like this way we can use and we can get the benefit of rest parameters in JavaScript version 6. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching my video.